Hi and welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram for more interesting tips and tutorials. Now I will show you materials what you will need to create this kind of butterfly. First of all, of course, you will need to cut out our pattern, what you have in your PDF file. Then you will need a felt. You will use it for wings and for body as well. Eco leather, or you can use the same felt what you will use for the wings and for the body, but I would suggest you to have or leather or eco leather for the back side. Cardboard, white paper, gel pen. This pen you will need to mark our pattern to the material. You will learn how to work with velvet. Velvet we will use for the back side of our wings. As well, you will need 3 different sequins: cup sequence, which is 4 mm, and 2 colors of sequins, which is 3 mm. Pearls in size 8 mm and 6 mm. Crystals, you will need rondelli crystals in 1 mm. Then bicon crystals 3 mm. As well, rondelli crystals, you will need just 2 of them for the eyes. Size is 3 mm. Bigger crystals, round, 6 mm. We will use them here and inside embroidery. Then this kind of teardrop crystals, navet crystals, threads. I have a beading thread. This is Beadsmith Ceylon thread. I have used only one color of the seed beads to make it easier. And these seed beads in white color are Czech seed beads, Preciosa. Then you will need a metal wire, or if you have floral wire, beading needles, size 10. I will use moment glue, but you will find in your PDF file attached where you can buy this kind of glue. While I'm waiting it, because I just ordered it and I'm waiting for it, that's why I use this glue. But this E6000 is very good as well, even for gluing in crystals inside your embroidery. And of course scissors and pin. And this kind of soft wire, this is decorative wire, we will embroider with it inside our butterfly. Basically, I'm sure that many of you who are creating already jewelry have most of these materials in stock. If you don't have anything, don't worry, because I included all links in PDF file with necessary materials what you can buy from internet at affordable prices. And as you can see, there is not so many materials what we will use for our creation.